Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can transfer money with Zelle via Wells Fargo to another bank. So let's jump right in. Begin by visiting the official Wells Fargo website. Once there, locate the login section on the homepage and enter your username and password. After signing in, Wells Fargo will prompt you to verify your identity by sending a 6-digit security code to your registered mobile number. Enter the code and click Continue to access your account dashboard. At the top menu, navigate to the Transfer and Pay section, and from the drop-down, choose Send Money with Zelle. From there, select the recipient you want to send funds to. It's important to carefully review the recipient's details. Zelle payments can't be canceled once they're completed, unless the recipient hasn't yet enrolled. Confirm that you recognize the recipient and that the transaction is legitimate by checking the required acknowledgement box. Click Continue, then enter the amount you wish to send. After reviewing all payment details for accuracy, complete the transaction by clicking Send.